Go back forward. Too early. Too close.
Alright, I'm gonna watch you on this side. Alright, that angle, stop. Alright, bring the trailer inside the line. Right now it's almost in there. But we have to pay attention to the blind side. Right?
So every time go back in same way.
Yeah, so no, but listen. The way you have the wheel now, it's gonna point it out of it.
Yeah.
So you need to steer it into it.
Alright.
So steer it towards it to send it in.
Alright, so I have to steer so.
No.
No, that send it out. So next you send it out. Next
Yeah.
you.
Towards it, look. Steer towards it.
Side, oh look.
Steer towards it because it's coming out.
Yeah.
You clear this.
Clear this.
Keep going. Alright. So what you notice, right? Yes, you're going back straight at an angle like diagonally. Diagonal, right? So you're gonna go in.
Straight.
Yeah, keep going straight like that. Put your wheel straight. To maintain this diagonal whatever.
Alright.
I can't find the word.
Send it over there.
So you can't see that side?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You clear?
Yeah.
Alright, watch out now. Steer towards the... Keep going in. Keep going in. Alright, that's enough. You see, once you get the trailer,
Back wheel in.
once you get the trailer, the line, slicing the trailer tire. You see, once the trailer tire is on the line back there,
Yeah.
start turning to the right.
You're right.
Because then, if you look on the right side there, you're going towards the trailer over there. So start turning to the right, a little bit. Alright. Perfect. So here what you're gonna do. You see you got it in there now, right?
Yeah.
It's in there. So now you're gonna go back and then pull forward. So keep going to the right like that. Keep that straight.
Yeah.
Steer it some more.
It's
Get it all the way?
Yeah, all the way.
No, wait. To the right.
Oh shit.
Because you know you need to get it over. Alright, stop. Pull forward in that same direction. To the right. Watch this side. You need to get the corner on the plate.
Yeah, that I'm doing, son.
Yeah, you need to get the corner of the trailer on the plate.
Alright.
Hold up. So you're right on the plate, right? But if you're on both sides? to me. So stay closer to your side. So go back slowly.
Alright.
You're not going to do much turn. Just watch the trailer as you back up. Keep the wheel straight. Watch your mirrors, both mirrors. So you want to keep it on the plate. Yeah, just like that. Just small movement. Bring it over to your side some. Turn to the right and send it over to your side a little bit.
You want to come over
Yeah,
on
a
the
little
line?
bit.
Put it over up on the line?
Yeah, a little bit. Stop now. Change it. Change it. You need to come back left to change it. Because whatever you do on one side, you do it on the next side. You always remember. Yeah. Bring it back. Bring it back. So I'm going to go back there and check. Keep on bringing it back. I'm going to go back there.
Alright guys, so we made it to the end of the video. I want to say guys, thank you for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stick and stay for the next one. I'm out.